My dear children, welcome back to English lesson. Take your pupils book and turn to page number 107. Read aloud. There is a beautiful picture. Now you have to look at this picture. I'm going to ask some questions about this picture. Are you ready? What can you see on this picture? What are the things you can see? Yes, there are three children. We can see some paper boats. There are dark clouds in the sky. It is raining. යාළුවෝ තුන් දෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. යාළුවා මොනවද අපිට තව තියෙන්නේ? paper boats තියෙනවා නේද? They are making paper boats. ඒ වගේම අපිට පුළුවන් දකින්න මොනවද? dark clouds තමයි අහසේ තියෙන අඳුරු වලාකුළු තියෙනවා. ඒ වගේම it's raining. වහිනවා පුතේ නේද? Okay, let's read the text. A rainy day. A rainy day. Today our lesson is about a rainy day. Rainy day එකක් කියන්නේ පුතේ rain කියනවා අපි වැස්සට නේද? rainy කියලා කියන්නේ වැසි සහිත දවසක්. වැස්ස සහිත දවසක් ගැන තමයි අපි text එක ඉගෙන ගන්න යන්නේ. Let's read. It's a rainy day. We cannot go out. We can play inside. We can make paper boats. Would you like to play on a rainy day? What can you do on a rainy day? And what can't you do? පුතාලට rainy day එකකදී මොනවද කරන්න පුළුවන් දේවල්? What are the things you can't do? ඔයාලට කරන්න බැරි දේවල් මොනවද කියලා අපි අද lesson එකේදී ඉගෙන ගනිමු. Okay? Let's see the text again. It's a rainy day. It's a rainy day. We cannot go out. If it is raining, can you go out? වහින දවසට පුතාලට එළියට යන්න පුළුවන්ද? Can you go out? No, we cannot go out. Cannot කියලා කියන්නේ can't කියලා අපි shortened word එකකින් කියනවා පුතේ නේද? shortened word එකකින් අපි කියනවා can't කියලා. cannot කියන්නේ අපිට බැහැ කියන එක තමයි. We cannot go out. We can play inside. rainy day එකකට අපිට එළියට යන්න බෑ නේද? We cannot go out. We can play inside. අපි මේ ගියේ ඇතුළේ ඉඳගෙන අපිට inside එකේ ඉඳගෙන අපිට play කරන්න පුළුවන්. What else you can do? We can make paper boats. Look at this picture. These children are making paper boats and floating on the water. යාළුවෝ පා කරනවා නේද? paper boats හදනවා. ඒ වගේම ඒවා වතුරේ පා කරනවා. I hope you have like this experience. පුතාලටත් ඇති මේ වගේ experience එකක් නේද? වැස්ස දවසට ඔයාලා මේ වගේ දේවල් කරනවා නේද? Yes. What can you do on a rainy day? මොන වගේ දේවල්ද එහෙනම් පුතාලට කරන්න පුළුවන් rainy day එකද? Tell me. Yes. You can play inside. rainy day එකට අපිට play කරන්න වෙන්නේ ගේ ඇතුළේ ඉඳගෙන නේද? We cannot go out. You can make paper boats. What else you can do? Yes, you can read storybooks. You can draw pictures. You can listen to the music. You can play chess. You can play cards. Yes, these things you can do on a rainy day. Which things you cannot do on a rainy day? මොන වගේ දේවල්ද පුතාලට කරන්න බැරි? You cannot do on a rainy day. වැසි දවසකට මොන වගේ දේවල්ද අපිට කරන්න බැරි පුතේ? Yes, we cannot go out. දැන් අපිට rainy day එකකට එළියට යන්න බෑ. So, we cannot play outside. අපිට එළියේ ඉඳගෙන play කරන්න පුළුවන්ද? No. So, we cannot play cricket. Can you fly kites on a rainy day? No, we cannot fly kites on a rainy day. You cannot ride bicycles. Bicycle පදින්නත් බෑ නේද? outside එකේ ඉන්න අපිට bicycle පදින්න වෙන්නේ. So, you cannot ride bicycle. Okay, today's lesson you have learned about a rainy day. What can you do on a rainy day and which events you cannot do on a rainy day. Let's do our workbook activities. Take your workbook and turn to page number 97. What do you do on a rainy day? What do you do on a rainy day? Read and put a tick. Yes, you have given some sentences. You have to read these word phrases and then if the things you can do on a rainy day, you have to put a tick. Rainy day එකට ඔයාලට කරන්න පුළුවන් දේවල් වලට ඉදිරියෙන් තියෙනවා බ්‍රැකට් එකක්. ඒ බ්‍රැකට් එකේ ඔයාලා මොකද කරන්න ඕනේ? වරහන් ඇතුලේ ඔයාලා tick එකක් යොදන්න ඕනේ. Let's see what's first one. Play cards. Can you play card on a rainy day? Yes. අපි card play කරන්නේ inside එකේ ගිය ඇතුලේ නන්නේ. So we can play cards. Then you have to put a tick in the bracket. Play cricket. Can you play cricket on a rainy day? No. Don't put a tick. Next one. Play chess. Yes, we can play chess on a rainy day. Now you have to put a tick. Make paper boats. Yes, you can make paper boats on a rainy day. Now you have to put a tick. Last one. Fly kites. Can you? No, we cannot fly kites because it is raining. So don't put a tick. Okay. I hope you can read these word phrases and put a tick. Let's do our next activity. Make sentences. We have been given 3 sentences. The words are jumbled in each sentence. හැම sentence එකකම මොකද වෙලා තියෙන්නේ පුතේ? වචනවල order එක මාරු වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. You have to make a meaningful sentence. Shall we? Number 1. Play we chess. මේ sentence එකක් build up කරනකොට නේද ඉස්සෙල්ලාම ලියන්න ඕනේ කවුද? ඒ ක්‍රියාව කරන කෙනා subject එක තමයි මුලට ගන්න ඕනේ. Yes. Can you make? We. Then you have to select the verb. Play. Last chess. Now you can write the sentence on the blank. We play chess. First letter must be capital. At the end of the sentence, you have to put a full stop. Number 2. Make bots we paper. Very good. Now you can build a meaningful sentence. We make paper bots. You can write. Last one. Number 3. We songs sing. We sing songs. I hope you will be able to write these sentences correctly. Let's do our next activity. Shall you move on to next page? Page number 98. Draw and write. Draw and write. What do you like to do on a rainy day? Now, there is a question. What do you like to do on a rainy day? පුතාලගෙන් question එකක් අහනවා. ඔයාලා මොනවද කරන්න කැමති rainy day එකකට? නැසි දවසකට පුතාලා මොන වගේ දේවල්ද කරන්න කැමති? පුතාලා කැමති දෙයක් පුතාලා මොකද කරන්න ඕන? Draw and write. ඔයාලා picture එක අඳින්න ඕන. ඒ වගේම තමයි මොකද කරන්න ඕන? Then you have to write a sentence. What can you do on a rainy day? Can you remember the lesson? Yes. We can make paper boats. We can play cards. We can play chess. We can read storybooks. We can sing songs. We can listen to the music. I will show you the example. Yes, I like to make paper boats. I like to make paper boats on a rainy day. Then you have to write the sentence. I like to make paper boats. I hope you will be able to draw a nice picture and write a sentence about the picture. We have done today's lesson. Now we are going to stop for today. Let's meet once again. Goodbye.